All right. Can you start off by saying your name and your vehicle?
My name is Vincent Ward.
Oh wait, shit. Sorry. Yes. Clap. I'm gonna clap. Sync.
Alright, start off. My name is Vincent Ward. Behind me, my vehicle is a 2017 Dodge Charger.
All right. You're gonna read the questions. Give him like 15 seconds, and then the format of it is answer the question with the question.
Okay.
So if he says, "How was your experience at Hail Specialist?" Well, my experience at Hail Specialist has been, and then okay, go ahead, guys.
So, were you satisfied with your communication from Hail Specialist?
I was definitely satisfied with my communication with Hail Specialist. Kept it 100%.
Were you satisfied with the repairs Hail Specialist performed?
Repairs from Hail Specialist, I was very satisfied. Brought my car back to its natural state. It looks beautiful from behind, as you can see.
Were you satisfied with the communication you received from your insurance provider?
I definitely wasn't too fond of that. Communication from my insurance provider wasn't A1. Body shop, which is Hail Specialist, they kept it 100 with me and they always communicated with me. If I could, I would say Gage kept it very 100 with me. He was always emailing me, texting me. He did better than my insurance provider did. I had to always like reach out to them, and I'm, you know what I'm saying, the customer, so I never understood that.
Do you believe your insurance is acting in accordance with the contract or policy they sold you? And are they correctly indemnifying you as their customer?
I agree to that too. I definitely don't think they, you know what I'm saying, basically, how could I say, it's been frustrating, and I don't think they held enough their end of the bargain as far as to come to the insurance part, because first and foremost, if I'm a customer and I'm paying insurance faithfully, you should always be able to keep in contact with me no matter what.
Were there any troubles, delays, or issues when contacting your insurance adjuster?
Contacting my insurance adjuster, yes, it was delays. Every time, like, I would call him, I get his voicemail. Every time I leave a voicemail, it takes him days to contact me back. Then when he do call, he leave me a voicemail saying call him right back. So it's kind of like we playing phone tag on the phone. Then I also basically got the runaround from everybody that I got in contact with at the insurance. So yeah.
Should I ask him who your insurance provider is? No.
Doesn't matter. I mean, you could say.
Do you feel that your insurance provider treated you how they advertise, or do you feel that their advertisements are a misrepresentation of the service they provide?
Who's your insurance?
My insurance is Geico.
Geico. So do you feel like you're taken care of? Do you feel like the lizard was there for you?
No.
Geico.
Geico. Yeah, definitely. They definitely got down on me. That's why I'm here to tell my stories of other people that's in my shoes. You know what I'm saying? See first beforehand like what they did with it.
Did your insurance provider give you a written letter of denial explaining what operations they did not want to pay for?
Yes, they did. Unfortunately, they say they sent it like through email, but honestly, I didn't receive it, so I had to contact them to get another one sent. And basically, the repairs that they denied to pay was just simple, like maintenance that a body shop does. I didn't understand it.
And did you know that the Texas Department of Insurance requires all insurance companies to do this when denying a claim?
I definitely did. By the way, I have a mom that works for it. She's retired from TDI, so and TDI is the Texas Department of Insurance, so she was keeping me informed of everything that was going on. So yeah.
Good to be informed.
Yeah.
So why do you think that your insurance provider is refusing to pay for what's properly owed?
Honestly, I think throughout throughout the months, it's been like a lot of damage like from hail, storms, tropical storm. But like, I just feel like that's not fair to the customer when it comes to, you know what I'm saying, being like taken care of when it comes to your cars and you having to put your car in the shop for maintenance or anything like that because we can't control the weather. So therefore, when we can't control the weather, it's like what else can we do when we paying an insurance provider? Sometimes we don't get car wrecks for years, and like they done made all these millions of dollars, and you just can't take a simple body shop case and just, you know what I'm saying, go over the analytics and get out the paperwork. Something that hair specialists did, they provided me with everything that I see. So I just didn't understand it, and it was like basically that wasn't fair at all.
Did your insurance provider ever speak about hail specialists in a negative way throughout the repair process? And if so, how did this affect your perceptions of hail specialists?
They never talked. Honestly, they never said anything bad about hail specialists, but I noticed every time I talk to basically
Your adjuster, your appraiser.
Right, there you go. Sorry about that. Every time I talk to my adjuster, he kept saying he didn't want to be recorded by nobody other than Geico, and I felt that kind of very like amused, like that's kind of crazy. Now I've never heard nobody say that, so that's how I knew someone kind of how to play.
Did you find it kind of weird how Geico, when you call them, the first thing they say is this call is recorded for quality assurance?
Correct.
And then the first thing they say when a person picks up is I don't want to be recorded?
Correct. That's very odd to me. I found that kind of odd. Like, huh?
So how much did your insurance company short hail specialists?
They shorted hair specialists, I believe, $1,025.
Do you think this will negatively impact hail specialists?
I actually do because y'all in the business to, you know what I'm saying, to provide quality work to customers for their cars, the body shop. So if y'all don't get adequate pay, y'all have employees, management that y'all have to take care of. So I feel like, that's kind of shortchanging hair specialists. I feel like they should probably compensate for this.
It's the banner hitting the... It's fine. The recording's in his lap, so we'll get good audio of him.
Do you believe it is right for a multi-billion-dollar company to try and short a local repair facility trying to help the community?
I do believe that is not right, because that is not right that they're short of body shop that's definitely in their cars every day. That's definitely not right because, like I said, they getting all these billions of dollars every year.
1 second, Mr. Moore. Hold on.
I'll ask that question again.
No music, No music yet. I'll tell you what.
Alright, I'll ask that one again.
Alright, hold on.
Sync.
Hold on. Okay, good.
Alright. Do you believe it is right for a multi-billion-dollar company to try and short a local repair facility trying to help the community?
I do not believe that is right because the body shop here, hair specialist here, they taking care of the community, making sure that our cars is taken care of and get back to 100% when we continue our daily life activities. So I don't think it's fair that, you know what I'm saying, $1 billion corporation can say that they're not going to pay for it when you have a body shop that's willing to work with you.
And do you believe it's right that the insurance company treats any repair facility or customer in this way?
No, again, I don't agree with that either. It's not right that, you know what I'm saying, the insurance companies dictate like what they don't want to pay for. When I feel like personally, I can't dictate what I can pay to them because they have, you know what I'm saying, a strict guideline of what we need to pay. So I feel like who's holding them accountable for what they need to pay.
Beautiful. Would you recommend hail specialists to anyone?
Yes, I would. I would recommend, as a matter of fact, I recommend hair specialists to a couple of my friends that had the hair damage. I don't know if they came in or not, but I think they was on the south side. But yeah. And looking at my partner, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, put it like that.
Would you recommend anyone to your insurance provider?
Honestly, I wouldn't. After dealing with them, I'm honestly say, nah, I wouldn't. Because once my contract, it would leave. So that's my honest opinion. I just don't feel like it's for I have to basically be the middle guy. And I'm the customer. I shouldn't have to be. There should be no ties between me and the body shop. And, you know what I'm saying? It should be the body shop and the insurance. So that's how I feel. So, but no, I would. I totally. Yeah, I got Geico. So watch out.
All right, that conducts this interview. Thank you, Mr. Moore.
Right.